Today we're venturing into another extraordinary realm, the profound influence of affirmations and how they have the power to reshape our thoughts and beliefs. Affirmations, often underestimated, are potent instruments in the symphony of self-improvement. They hold within them the capability to not just set goals, but also change our lives in remarkable ways. By consistently employing affirmations, we embark on a journey to reprogram our subconscious minds, thereby impacting our thoughts, emotions, and behaviors in a profound manner. An essential rule of the affirmation game is to use positive language. Instead of framing your desires negatively, such as, "I don't want to be poor," embrace the positive counterpart, "I am abundant and wealthy." The subconscious doesn't grasp negatives, so speaking negatively can reinforce precisely what we wish to change. Affirmations become more potent when we phrase them in the present tense. Instead of saying, "I will be successful," declare, "I am successful now." This subtle shift creates the feeling that our goals are not just dreams, but tangible realities we're presently experiencing. Specificity is the linchpin of powerful affirmations. Rather than a vague, "I want to be healthy," let it be, "I am robust," brimming with energy, boasting a robust immune system and maintaining a healthy body weight. The more detailed and precise, the more effective. Visualization is a powerful technique that complements affirmations by making the desired outcome feel real and achievable. When we create a mental picture of our goals, we engage our senses, emotions, and imagination in a way that aligns our subconscious mind with our aspirations. Visualization adds an emotional layer to our affirmations. It's one thing to say, "I am successful," and another to visualize yourself in a successful scenario, feeling the joy, pride, and fulfillment that success brings. This emotional connection intensifies the impact of the affirmation. Visualization bolsters our belief in the affirmation. As we see ourselves living the desired outcome, doubts begin to dissipate. Doubt is replaced by a growing confidence that what we want is not just possible, but within reach. When we visualize, we can also address potential obstacles or challenges that may arise on the path to our goals. This prepares us mentally to tackle setbacks and find solutions. Visualizing success can be incredibly motivating. It ignites a burning desire within us to take action. The more we visualize, the more we are driven to make our dreams a reality. Visualization can also reduce anxiety and stress. When we can see ourselves successfully navigating challenges, it lowers our stress levels, making us more resilient in the face of adversity. Consistency and repetition are the backbone of effective affirmations. Make them an integral part of your daily routine, whether it's jotting them down, vocalizing them, or even recording and listening throughout the day. To make affirmations truly work, belief is paramount. Doubts or negative beliefs can impede their effectiveness. Perform self-reflection, identify limiting beliefs, and work on replacing them with positive ones. Affirmations are essentially messages we send to our subconscious minds. Our subconscious operates based on our deeply ingrained beliefs. If we have doubts or negative beliefs that contradict our affirmations, the subconscious may resist the new positive programming. Our beliefs often become self-fulfilling prophecies. If we believe that we can't achieve something, our actions and choices will align with that belief, sabotaging our efforts. Conversely, if we wholeheartedly believe in our affirmations, we will naturally take actions that support their realization. Start by engaging in honest self-reflection. Identify any limiting beliefs or doubts that may be hindering your progress. Ask yourself why you hold these beliefs and where they come from. Ensure that your affirmations align with your core values and aspirations. If they don't resonate with you on a deep level, it may be challenging to believe in them. Customize your affirmations to feel authentic and personally meaningful. Affirmations serve as motivators, but taking action is equally vital. They shift our mindset positively, but to manifest our goals, we must translate that mindset into action. Emotion infuses power into affirmations. Instead of merely saying, "I am successful," inject emotion with something like, "I am wildly successful," and exuberantly celebrate every achievement. Gratitude-based affirmations shift our focus from scarcity to abundance. Express thankfulness for what you already have in your life, fostering a mindset of positivity and richness. Customize your affirmations to align with your specific goals and desires. Whether it's launching a business or improving relationships, tailor your affirmations accordingly. Affirmations are formidable weapons against negative self-talk. When negativity looms, counter it with affirmations that remind you of your worth and potential. Negative self-talk is that persistent inner critic that tells us we're not good enough, capable enough, or deserving enough. It can erode self-esteem, create self-doubt, and hinder personal growth. Affirmations serve as formidable weapons in this ongoing battle, helping us counter and eventually silence this destructive internal dialogue. Affirmations redirect our focus from weaknesses and limitations to strengths and possibilities. Instead of dwelling on what we can't do, they encourage us to concentrate on what we can achieve, highlighting our worth and potential. Affirmations generate positive emotions. When we repeat uplifting statements, we naturally experience feelings of hope, confidence, and self-worth. These emotions combat the negativity that breeds self-doubt. Craft affirmations that directly address the negative beliefs or thoughts you want to counter. For example, if you often feel unworthy, create affirmations like, "I'm deserving of love and success." Incorporate affirmations into your daily routine. Say them in the morning, use them as reminders throughout the day, and let them be your peaceful lullaby before bedtime. In conclusion, affirmations wield immense power in reshaping our lives. By embracing positivity, speaking in the present, visualizing, and persistent practice, we mold our subconscious minds into allies of success. Remember, belief and action are the twin engines that drive these transformations. Keep at it, and you'll witness the life you desire taking shape. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome content. Thank you for spending this time with me, and dive deeper into mindful living by watching our previous video on Mastering Your Mind for Success and Abundance.